Hi students, welcome to our maths channel. If you like my classes, please subscribe and share to your friends. Okay? So in maths to be integration part 4 completed. Now in the continuation, now part 5. In earlier classes, 2 marks question completed. We have another few models in 2 marks question. Okay? So in previous classes, we discussed about integration by substitution method. Okay, so to continue the 2 marks problems, we need some formulas. What are the means? Listen carefully. So in the derivation, generally derivation of for example sin 2x, derivation of sin 2x equal to cos 2x into internal function derivation. What is the internal function? 2x derivation. 2x derivation 2 into 1 2. Okay. So if in the differentiation write down the actual function derivation, after that internal function derivation right in the differentiation. But in the integration, the function is in the form of like integration of capital F of g of x dx. Okay, that means here capital F is a function in terms of g and g is a function in terms of x. Okay, in which way we can do the integration of this function means first capital F of x integration. Okay, simply we write capital F of x derivation integration is small f of x. So that's why small f of f is capital F is in the function of g na, that's why in terms of g, that's why small f of g of x by internal function. What is the internal function? G differentiation. Differentiation of g denoted by g dash of x plus c. Now observe these two differences. Okay, here for example if you write like this, derivation of small f of g of x is there. Then in differentiation in first year maths 1b differentiation topic we already learned that one. So derivative of small f of g of x. Generally derivative of small f of x denoted by capital F of x. If x is there, then we write directly capital F of x. But here g of x in terms of g of x, that's why write down capital F of g of x into internal function derivation, g of x derivation g dash of x. Okay, so in this way we complete in differentiation, but in the integration reverse process. Why? Because integration is the inverse process of differentiation. That's why here internal function derivation in the product we write as product, but in the integration division. Because of inverse process of multiplication is derivation differentiation, that means division. That's why here we do the multiplication, but in the case of integration we write in the denominator, that means division. Okay, now understood clearly? So integration of capital F of g of x dx equal to first overall function integration, capital F of integration small f in terms of g of x, write down in terms of g of x. After that write down in the denominator derivation of that function, internal function, derivation of g of x is g dash. That's it. Now in the same way integration of e power ax plus b dx. Okay, so here this is in the form of integration of e power x. Here x in the place of x we have ax plus b. Integration of e power x is e power x only. E power ax plus b, a power ax plus b. By here this function ax plus b differentiation a into x derivation 1 a into 1 a plus constant b derivation 0, a plus 0 is a only. So write down like that. Integration of e power ax plus b dx equal to e power ax plus b by a plus c. This is the application of this formula. Okay, in the same way integration of sine of ax plus b dx. First, leave this one. This is in the form of integration of sine x. Integration of sine x is minus cos x. Okay. So integration of sine of ax plus b minus cos of ax plus b by internal function derivation. Internal function derivation is a plus c. Okay. The same way, integration of cos of ax plus b equal to sine of ax plus b. Same way. This is the form of the integration of cos x. Integration of cos x is sin x by internal function derivation. Ax plus b derivation a plus. Okay. Right. Next continuation, integration of sin cos secant square of ax plus b. Integration of secant square. Which term integration? That means integration of secant square is tan x. That's why tan of ax plus b by a plus c. Okay. Next, integration of cosecant square of ax plus b dx equal to integration of cosecant square x. This is in the form of integration of cosecant square x minus cot x. Here cosecant square of ax plus b na, that's why minus cot of ax plus b by a plus c. Okay. In the same way, integration of secant of ax plus b into tan of ax plus b dx. Okay. Integration of secant of ax plus b into tan of ax plus b dx. If ax plus b as we treated as a function, then integration of if we treated as x, integration of secant x into tan x. What is the integration of secant x into tan x? Secant x. Okay, integration of secant x into tan x is secant x. Here secant of ax plus b na, that's why secant of ax plus b by internal function derivation. Ax plus b derivation a plus c. Okay. Next, integration of cosecant of ax plus b into cot of ax plus b dx equal integration of this in the form, if we treated ax plus b as a term, then integration of cosecant x into cot x minus cosecant x. Here ax plus b na, minus cosecant of ax plus b by ax plus b derivation, not integration. Ax plus b derivation a, that's why right in the denominator. Just simply remember like this. In the differentiation, we write the internal function derivation as the product, but in the integration, we write the internal function derivation in the denominator. In that one product, here division. That is the difference. Okay. Next, integration of cosecant of ax plus b. Right. Next, continuation. Another formulas are also there like this. Integration of f of x whole power n into f dash x dx equal to, here f of x is a function. If this function derivation as the product, then total function integration, if power is n, this function power is n, then the formula is f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. When this formula is applicable, the function derivative is as the product. Okay. Next, integration of f dash x by f of x. Integration of f dash x by f of x. That means f of x is a function that is in the denominator. Denominator differentiation if is in the numerator. Denominator differentiation is in the numerator. Then the total function integration is log of denominator. That means log of f of x plus log of f of x When this formula is applicable, the function differential, if a function lies in the denominator, that function derivative is in the numerator, then this formula is applicable. That the formula is the integration of f dash x by f of x dx is log f of x plus c. In the same way, integration of f dash x by 2 root f of x. 2 root f of x. Here in the denominator, here 2 root f, here root f of x, sorry. Integration of f dash x by square root of it. Here normal function, here square root function. That is the difference. If square root is there, then the formula is 2 root f of x plus c. 2 root f of x plus c. Okay. Now continuation formulas. F dash x by square root of f of x completed. Now continuation last formula. This one is very important formula. 2 marks question must and should give in that formula. Application of this formula only. That formula is integration of e power x into f of x plus f dash x dx equal to e power x into f of x plus f dash x. Must and should that function lies in that one function in the bracket and that function derivative as a sum, then e power x into f of x plus f dash x dx equal to e power x into f of x plus c. These are very important formulas, right? Yes, students, continuation of 2 marks question. So formulas completed now. On that formulas we have so many problems. So in that one, very short answer questions. Important model is integration of 1 by x log x dx. Okay. So in solution, take the given problem as it is. Integration of 1 by x log x dx. Okay. We cannot do directly. Okay, because of all formulas completed. That's why we need to transform into the form. In which way? Means in the way that we have the formulas. Okay. So here this can be written as 1 by x into log x now. So this can be written as like this: 1 by x by log x dx, 1 by a by b, 1 by a into b. The previous term as is we get whenever we multiply the denominators. Okay, 1 by x into log x is 1 by a by b, 1 by a into b. That's why x into log x is log x. Now, if we treated f of x log x is f of x, that means if let f of x equal to log x, then f dash x means derivative of this function now. So derivative of log x. What is the derivative of log x? 1 by x. Okay. That's why this is in the form of integration f dash x by f of x. Okay. Integration f dash x by f of x. So what is the formula for integration of f dash x by f of x? Integration f dash x by f of x. What is the formula for this one? Yes. Log of f of x plus c. Log of f of x plus c. This is the formula. F dash x by f of x. Log x derivation is in the numerator. Denominator function derivation is in the numerator. Then directly that integration value is log of denominator. That is when log of this value is log of log x plus. Okay. So 1 by x into log x dx equal to log of log x plus c. Don't forget to write the formula because of in the weightage, 2 marks weightage. For writing like this 1 mark. Okay. And for formula also 1 mark. Then only we get 2 marks. Okay. That's why don't forget to write the formula. Understood clearly? Right. Now second problem. Integration of 2x plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1 dx. Okay. In the solution, write on the given problem as it is. Just observe it here. X square derivation 2x. x derivation 1, constant derivation 0. So finally, if you take f of x equal to x square plus x plus 1, okay, if it that means let f of x equal to x square plus x plus 1, then f dash x equal to x square derivation 2x plus x derivation 1 derivation, no need to write. So therefore this is in the form of, this one is 2x plus 1 is f dash x square plus x plus 1 is f of x. That's why that is in the form of integration of f dash x by f of x dx. What is the formula for f dash x by f of x dx? Log f of x. Log f of x plus c. Therefore integration of 2x plus 1 by x square plus x plus 1 dx equal to log of f of x. F of x we consider x square plus x plus 1 plus c. That's right. Write down. Hey student, continuation third one, integration of cot x dx. Can you observe this one? We know perfectly derivative of cot x. Derivative of cot x is minus cosecant square x. Can you have integration of cot x formula? No. Just verify that one. In the 28 to 30 formulas, can you have the formula for integration of cot x? No. Now we get the integration of cot x. Understood? We don't know the formula for integration of cot x. Just verify once. Okay? Then what is the integration of cot x means? Just find out integration of cot x. This cot x can be written as integration of cot x in terms of sin and cos. Yes, cos x by sin x. Cos x by sin x dx. Okay, if we treated f of x as sin x, f dash x is, that means the derivative of sin x, cos x. Okay, that's why this is in the form of cos x is f dash x, this one is f of x, this is in the form of integration of f dash x by f of x dx. What is the integration of f of x by dx? Yes, log of f of x, log of f of x plus c. That's why this is in the form of integration of f dash x by f of x. That's why log sin x plus c. Just remember as the formula. This is not problem. Sometimes ask for 2 marks also, but remember like formula integration of cot x log sin x plus c. We don't have the direct formula for this one. By this method only we can find the integration of cot x. Up to learn formulas in that formulas we don't have the formula for integration of cot x. So here we have the integration of cot x. Integration of cot x formula is log sin x plus c. In the similar way, find the integration of tan x. There is no formula for integration of tan x also. In which way we can find the integration of tan x means, listen carefully. Tan x in terms of sin and cos, sin x by cos x, sin x by cos x dx. Okay. If we take f of x equal to sin x, cos x, f of x equal to cos x, then f dash x equal to cos x differentiation minus sin x. Can you have the minus sin x in the numerator? No. In which way we can finish this problem means multiplying. That means this plus can be written as minus of minus na. So minus of minus sin x. Can we write like this? Yes, we can write like this. Minus into minus plus. Now we get the same value. Sin x by cos x. Now just observe here. Minus sin x is f dash x. Cos x is f of x. That's why this is in the form of integration of f dash x by f of x dx. Okay. F dash x by f of x dx is log f of x plus c. Okay, so that's when minus log f of x cos x plus c. Okay, now this can be written as minus na, so minus 1 into log cos x. Next m into log a power n, that's why minus taken into the power because of that is in the product, that's why according to the formula m into log a equal log a power n na, so cos inverse x. What is the inverse of cos x? Secant x, that's why log secant x plus c. That is the formula for integration of tan x dx. Remember this formula, these two formulas are most important. Integration of cot x dx is log sin x plus c. Integration of tan x dx is log of secant x plus c. In other words, that can also written as minus log x plus c. But so many places we can write log secant x only. Understood clear? Right. In the continuation, integration of secant x. Can you have the formula for that one? No. We have the formula integration for integration of secant x into tan x, which is the secant x. But we don't have the formula for integration of secant x. That's why in this way we can finish this one. Listen carefully. Integration of secant x dx. Okay. In order to get this one, here multiply and divide with here secant x into here multiply and divide with secant x plus tan x. To get the solution, multiply and divide with secant x plus tan x. Secant x plus tan x dx. Now integration of secant x into secant x, secant square x plus secant x into tan x, secant x into tan x by secant x plus tan x dx. Okay, just observe this one. If we take secant x plus tan x as f of x, then it's a differentiation. Secant x is a differentiation. Secant x plus tan x. Tan x is a differentiation. Secant square x. So finally, this is the form of f dash x by f of x. If we take f of x equal to secant x plus tan x, then f dash x equal to secant x derivation, secant x into tan x plus tan x differentiation, secant square x plus secant x into tan x. Both are equal, na? So that's why we see in the form of integration of f dash x by f of x dx. What is the formula for integration of f dash x by f of x dx? Log f of x plus. Okay, that's why the value is log of f of x secant x plus tan x. Secant x plus tan x, which is the integration of secant. This is also formula. Integration of secant x dx equal to log of secant x plus tan x. Understood? Write down. Hey students, next continuation, integration of secant x dx. So three formulas completed now. What are the three formulas? Integration of tan x, integration of cot x, integration of secant x, integration of the three formulas completed. What is the integration of tan x? Integration of tan x, log of secant x. Integration of cot x, log of sin x. Integration of secant x, log of secant x plus tan x. Now we go for integration of cosecant x dx. Okay. So in order to solve this one, take the given value integration of cosecant x dx as it is. Now cosecant x into multiply and divide with the cosecant x minus cot x by cosecant x minus cot x dx. Okay. Now cosecant x into cosecant x, cosecant square x minus cosecant x into cot x, cosecant x cot x, cosecant x cot x by cosecant x minus cot x dx. Just observe this one. If you take the denominator as f of x, just to verify the denominator differentiation is in the numerator or not. cosecant x. What is the derivation of cosecant x? Derivation of cosecant x is minus cosecant x into cot x. Clear? Right. Next, derivation of cot x is minus cosecant square x. But here we have minus cot x, no? So derivation of minus cot x is plus cosecant square x. That's why this is in the form. If you take this one as f of x, this f of x differentiation is in the numerator. That's why this is in the form of integration of f dash x by f of x dx equal to log f of x plus c. Integration of f dash x by f of x dx equal to log f of x plus c. Log of f of x is cosecant x minus cot x plus, okay, which is the integration of cosecant x dx. Okay, this is also form. So these are the four formulas which are most important. We can use in the next problems also. Okay, what are they? Integration of tan x log of secant x, integration of cot x log of sin x, integration of secant x log of secant x plus tan x, integration of cosecant x log of cosecant x minus cot x. Understand? Right. Now this problem so many times asked in intermediate public examinations, nearly 4 to 6 times. Okay, that's why most important for 2 marks question. So integration of 1 by x into log x, 1 by x into log x into log x into dx. Okay, so to solve this one, write down the same problem in the solution. Now this can be written as 1 by x into log x. This can be written as like this: 1 by x into log x by log of log x or not? Log of log x or not? Is it right? Can you write like this? Yes. Why? Because if you have 1 by a by b, then that can be written as 1 by a into b. In the same way, 1 by x into log x. Okay. It's not understood and not appear clearly. Write down like this: 1 by x into log x. Okay. 1 by x into log x. Now 1 by a by b, 1 by a into b. In the same way, 1 by x into log x whole by log of log x. That can be written as x into log 1 by x into log x into log of log x. Okay. That's why this can be written as in this form. Now just taken as assumption f of x equal to log of log x. We take f of x equal to log of log x. What is f dash x? What is the derivation? First, this is in the form of log x. Log x derivation 1 by x. 1 by, if x is there, we can write x. Here log x now, that's why 1 by log x into internal function. What is the internal function? Log x. Log x differentiation. Log x differentiation is 1 by x. 1 by x. So 1 by log x into 1 by x means 1 by x into log x. What you observe here? If you take f of x equal to log of log x, then what is f dash x? 1 by x into log x. 1 by x into log x. Denominator differentiation is in the numerator. That's why we can use the formula integration of f dash x by f of x, that is equal to log of f of x. So here write down the same answer. Integration of f dash x by f of x, f dash x by f of x dx equal to log of f of x plus. That's why directly solution is integration of f dash log of f of x. F of x is log of log x. Already in the formula we have one log. That's why log of log x. Don't forget this one. Okay. Here in the function only we have two logs. But in the formula log of f of x. F of x equal to log of log x now. So log as means f of x means log of log x. So final answer for this one is 1 by x into log x into log of log x. Log of log x into dx. Okay, this one is very important. Right. Yes, students, Continuation, eighth problem. Integration of 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x dx. Okay. So in order to get the solution, first write down the given problem as it is in the solution. 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x dx. In order to solve this one, 1 minus tan x in terms of sin and cos. Yes, sin x by cos x. Sin x by cos x whole by 1 plus again tan x in terms of sin and cos. Sin x by cos x dx. Okay, do the LCM. What is the LCM in the numerator? Cos x. So there is no denominator for 1, then 1 is there now. 1 into cos x, cos x, cos x into 1, cos x minus cos x 1 by cos x, 1 into sin x, sin x. In the same way, do the LCM in the numerator, then we get cos x plus sin x, cos x plus sin x dx. Okay, here cos x cancel. Now integration of cos x. This minus sin x can be written as like this, plus of minus sin x by cos x plus sin x can be written as sin x plus cos x. Just to verify this one, if you take this one as f of x, which one? Denominator as f of x. F of x, f of x is a differentiation, sin x is a derivation, cos x is a differentiation, minus sin x. That's why this is in the form of f dash x by f of x. What is the formula for that one? Integration of f dash x by f of x dx equal to log f of x plus integration of f dash x by f of x dx equal to log f of x plus c. Log of f of x equal to sin x plus cos x. Sin x plus cos x plus, which is the integration of 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x dx. Understood clearly? Yes. Now, next problem, 9th one. In solution, take the given problem as it is 1 by 1 plus e power x into dx. Can you have the direct formula for this one? No. That's why we need to change into the form in which way we have the formula. Okay. So here, in order to get the solution, multiply and divide with e power minus here. 1 by 1 plus e power x into multiply and divide with e power minus x. If you multiply and divide with the same value, then there is no change in the previous term. Right. Now, 1 into e power minus x, minus x. 1 into e power minus x is e power minus x. Now 1 into e power minus x minus x plus e power x into e power minus x. Base is equal to product add the powers x plus of minus x dx. Okay. Now x plus x minus x cancel. E power 0 1. Okay. E power 0 1. Any variable power is 1. That's why we get in the denominator 1 plus e power minus x. Just to verify this one, if we treated denominator as f of x, we get here f of x is 1 plus e power minus x. Is it 1 plus e power minus x a differentiation? One derivation 0 e power minus x a differentiation? E power minus x into minus 1. That means minus e power minus x. But here plus. That's why in order to get that one, in order to get f of x, minus of minus e power minus x by here e power minus x plus 1. Since write down here, since e power 0 equal to 1. Okay. Now derivative of e power minus x is minus into e power minus x, one derivation 0. Therefore that is in the form of integration of f dash x by f of x dx. Integration of f dash x by f of x is log f of x plus, that's why minus log of f of x here denominator e power minus x plus 1, e power minus x plus 1 plus c, which is the integration of 1 by 1 plus e power x dx. Understood clearly? Alright, and continuation. Same model, we have another problem. Just a little bit difference is that here we have only e power x, but here e power minus x. Okay? If e power x is there, then in order to solve this one, multiply and divide with e power minus x. If e power minus x there, then multiply and divide with which value? Yes, multiply and divide with e power x. Okay? This one completed, huh? Right. So in solution, take the problem as is 1 plus e power minus x dx. To get the solution, 1 plus 1 by 1 plus e power minus x into here minus now, that's why multiply and divide with yes, e power x. E power x by e power x into dx. So 1 into e power x, 1 into e power x plus e power minus x into e power x. Minus x plus x cancel to get e power 0. E power 0 equal to 1. Since e power 0 equal to 1. Just observe this one. If we treated f of x as a denominator, e power x plus 1. This term differentiation is e power x only. That's why denominator differentiation is in the numerator. That's why the solution is log of denominator. That means integration of f dash x by f of x dx equal to log of f of x plus c. So that's why log of f of x is e power x plus 1. E power x plus 1 plus c. That's the end of the solution. These last two problems are same model. Just the difference is here plus x, here minus x. If plus x is there, then multiply and divide with e power minus x. If minus x is there, then multiply and divide with plus x, e power x. Okay, right now. Hey students, continuation. Next 11th problem. In the integrations only. Right, integration of 2x plus 3 by square root of x square plus 3x minus 4 into dx. Okay, just observe the difference between previous all problems and this one. Previous all problems, the denominator is just the function, not root of the function. Okay, just we have just a function, normal functions. Okay, without square roots or any third order, without roots we have the previous all problems, but in this one we have square root. That's why just observe this one, x square derivation 2x, your 3x derivation 3, constant derivation 0. That means if you take x square plus 3x minus 4 as f of x, if you take x square plus 3x minus 4 as f of x, then its differentiation is 2x plus 3, which is in the numerator. Understood? So that's when we take later f of x equal to x square plus 3x minus 4. Then derivative of this function f dash x square derivation 2x 3x derivation is 3. Okay, so that's why that is in the form of integration of f dash x by root f of x. Here root is there now. That's why integration of square root of f of x dx. What is the formula for this one? Yes, already learned it. 2 root f of x plus. So by using this formula, the solution of this one is 2 root f of x square plus 3x minus 4. That's the end of the problem. Okay, if you take f of x equal to x square plus 3x minus 4, we get f dash x equal to 2x plus 3. That's why if you substitute that value, integration of f dash x by f of x, 2 root f of x. Understood? Right? In the continuation, next problem. Integration of tan power 4x into secant square x. Okay. Can you have the direct formula for that one? No. We have the formula for integration of secant x into tan x only. In other words, only integration of secant square x is also there. What is that one? Yes, integration of secant square x is tan x. We have the integration of tan x also. Yes, in this class only we learned that one. What is the integration of tan x? Log of secant x. But we don't have the formula for integration of tan power 4. So that's why in which way we can simplify this one? Listen carefully. Integration of tan power 4x secant square x dx. Here, if we take tan x as f of x, that means here tan x, this tan x can be written as tan power 4, tan x 4 power 4 into secant square x dx or not? Yes. Tan power 4x can be written as tan x. Now, Let f of x equal to tan x. What is the derivation of f of x? Secant square x, which is as product. Okay, so that means if you substitute that, read this one. F of x whole power 4 into secant square x is f dash x now. So f of x whole power 4 into f dash x. That means that is in which form? Is this form? No. Previous form. What is that one? Integration of f dash x by f of x dx? No. But this is in the form of like this. Integration of f of x, right? In that four formulas, first one. Integration of f of x whole power n into f dash x dx. What is the integration of f of x whole power n into f dash x dx means f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus. That's why the solution is f of x is tan x now. So tan x whole power n plus 1. What is n here? 4. N plus 1 means 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 plus, that is tan power 5. Tan power 5x by 5 plus c, which is the integration of tan power 4x into secant square x dx. Okay, any more doubts? Now, in the same way, we can finish that problem also. What is that one? Integration of sin power 4x by cos power 6x dx. There is no that one. That's why write down here. Integration of sin power 4x by cos power 6x dx. This one is very important for 2 marks question. So many times repeated in IP examination. Okay. 13th problem. In the solution, write down the given problem as this. Can you have the direct formula for this one? No. That's why we need to change into the form. In which way we have the formulas. So that's why here sin power 4x. Sin power 4x by this cos power 6x can be written as cos power 4x into 1 by cos square x or not? Just verify once. Yes. Cos power 4 into cos square x. Cos power 6. 4 plus 2 6 9. A power m into a power n. A power n plus n. That's why cos power 6x can be written as 1 by cos power 4x into 1 by cos square x. Okay. 1 by cos power 6x is 1 by cos power 4x into. Now sin power 4 by cos power 4. That means sin by cos whole power 4. Okay. Sin x by cos x whole power. This is a power m by b power m. A by b whole power m into 1 by cos square x in terms of secant x. Yes, secant square x. Secant square x dx. Okay. Now sin x by cos x is tan x. Tan x whole power 4 into secant square. Just observe the previous problem and this one. Both are same now. Integration of tan power 4x into secant square x. Integration of tan power 4x into secant square. Again we take tan x is f of x. This one is f dash x. Okay. This one is f of x. This one is f dash x. F of x whole power n into f dash x is f of x whole power n plus 1. That means tan x whole power 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 plus c. That equal to tan power 5x by 5 plus c, which is the integration of sin power 4x into cos power 6x dx. So which formula we use here? Yes, write down. If you write the things, then easily understood the notes. Integration, whenever we prepare that one, if you write the integration formula, that means formula which we use in this step, then easily understand whenever in your preparation. Integration of f of x whole power n into f dash x dx equal to f of x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 x. That's the end of the solution. Okay. That's the end of the solution. Not only solution, that's the end of today's class also. Okay. If you have any doubt, then call me my personal number, and if you like my classes, then subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Okay. Thank you so much.